G'day everybody, this video is all about my charger and root builder tank mix application and how to do it. So just a very quick overview. My lawn's been in just over a month now and it's starting to feel good, it's starting to look good, it's starting to think it's boss, and it certainly isn't. I'm the boss. To make an analogy for you to perhaps understand, we've all been teenagers one time, or we're parents of teenagers. When you're a teenager, or you see your kids being a teenager, they get all a bit confident, they think that they know it all and everything like that. Well, they soon learn that they don't. So that's sort of like what my grass is at. It's it was at 8 mil, very happy. But, it can go lower, it can do better. The grass doesn't think so. It thinks it's like, yeah, no, I'm fine, whatever. Nah, you got to show it who's boss, and it needs to learn some things. The aim of this lawn out here at the front, which is Santa Ana, is basically to get it low down a bit further in the season. I'm going to do a top dress after Christmas. But look, Christmas is 2 weeks away. I want lawn for Christmas, of course. I'm not going to do any major renovations now, but what I have done is I've given it a pretty hard tap, I guess. It's around about 8-9 mil, and I was left it a couple of days, and it's growing up quite a bit. And then I've tapped it yesterday with a 6 mil mow, and it's exposed some thatch and everything else. But look, my plan is to bring it back quickly, and that's why I'm putting down charger. Now, this video doesn't have the results because I've actually recorded it today and I've pumped it out today. The results I'll publish next week, obviously. But if you're looking for a video on the results of charger, just click the top of the screen there, and that'll take you to a results video. So, same as what I did that year, I've gone a little bit aggressive, given it a bit of aggressive cut. It looks a bit shabby, but putting the charger and root builder down will bring it back quickly. Hey guys, I'm on holidays now. I'll be doing lots of videos over the summer, so make sure you like this video if you like it, of course, and subscribe. It helps me grow, because this lawn is going to be one cool journey. Get your lawn on. Let's get into the video. Beautiful still morning here, Port Augusta. It's just turned 6 o'clock in the morning. It is perfect out here. There's no wind. So I've been hanging for all week for this to happen, just so I can get the application down. It's been so windy here. It's been crazy. I'm going to do a charger, 300 mils per 100 square meters, and root builder, 100 mils per 100 square meters, tank mixed, simply because I want a bit of leaf growth, a bit of color with the iron in that product. Yeah, the lawn's coming along really well. I'll give you a little bit of a shot of it later on today, because I've chopped it up a little bit. I've gone down from 8-9 mil to about 6 mil in one hop, and the reason that I'm doing that morning, how you going? Hey, how you doing? The reason why I've gone that little bit lower is for a couple of reasons. I want to train it to be about that height, for one, and the other reason is that I just want to attack it a bit to promote some growth, and that's why I'm putting the charger down, obviously. And I'm not recording anything, am I? No, I am. Yeah, so a bit of a rush camera job this morning, because it's just like, yeah, wow, so perfect. But anyway, getting back to the point, I've hit it a bit harder. It's going to look a little bit choppy because it's not used to that height, for one. I want to promote that growth to grow laterally, so that's why I'm attacking it a bit more. Anyway, I've got my assistant here, my wife. Sorry about waking you up at ridiculous o'clock in the morning. So we're going to do a charger root builder, as I said, 300 mils per 100 square meters. Same as always, half the water goes in, and half the water goes on my sprayer. It's been one of those mornings. That goes, and I just absolutely love this. App. That's why charger is so popular, So, because it does exactly what it says. What does it say? I can't read with these glasses on. Too dark. Stimulates turf growth, improves turf colour. Alright, so that's cool. Agitating. sun's just come out. Fantastic. Look, charger, that'll really promote the leaf growth. That's what I want. I want a bit of action going into my bare areas. They're filling in quite nicely. Yeah, I'm training it a bit lower now, 6 mil. So it's looking a bit, it's got its growing pains at the moment. You know, a bit of shaving here and there. But look, a lot of that hasn't even been top dressed yet. When grass grows into an area, it always goes just that little bit lumpy. So that just needs its first top dress and level. When we're talking low heights of cut with a cylinder mower, wanting that fantastic look, you really need a flat surface, and it just does take a few goes at leveling and whatnot. No matter what type of lawn you've got, you're still going to have to level at least once every season anyway. So you know, that's all part and fun of the game with lawning. So yeah, this is coming along really well. I've got a new product from I think it's Pestral in regards to the rabbits. And so far, like tonight, I haven't checked my footage from my trail cam yet. It looks like that it might have done the trick. We're hoping anyway. Anyway, that was just a quick charger just to really get it going. Treat it a little bit meaner. Put the charger down, get the regrowth. Yeah, get what you want. Okay, the afternoon of the same day that I did the video earlier. Just to show you in the light now. So this is now at 6 mil, and you know, it gets a little bit shavy with the exposing of the thatch there. And that's to be expected for its first little dab at going low. It's filling in. This stuff here is actually clippings from the mow that I did yesterday, so it's not like totally filling in there, but a lot of it is like this. So yeah, a few scrapey bits to be expected. This is what I'm using for the rabbits, so I'll have a bit of a review on that. It's done very well so far. It's first day, it kept them off, so I'm pretty happy about that. But I actually have it over in this position over here. It's not the most perfect thing. It's a little bit clumsy actually, but I'll have a bit of a review on that. But so far it's doing its work. So yeah, that'll come back nicely with the charger. I'll do a video next week, show you the results there. But it is now ready for a groom. So a groom will get the lateral runners out of that. It'll pick up some of the thatch as well, so I can do a bit of a lower mow. So I'm looking forward to that. It's 2 weeks to Christmas, so it's coming around soon. But yeah, this is going to be looking absolutely magnificent. It's really starting to knead into the area. The gaps are starting to fill. This will be quite lovely come Christmas Day, I think. Anyway, if you're getting some value out of this video, give it a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to Lawnporn. It helps me grow. Get your lawn on. Hey Lawnies, I've got a couple of videos coming out this weekend. It's the Tiff Tuff's 2-week birthday, and we'll have a video showing the treatments that I did for the first lot of treatments, and also a good look at the Ego 52cm Select Cuts 56 volt mower. It's a real cracker, and we really loved it here at Lawnporn. So this is also a prize for the grass off. And look, it does a magnificent job, as you can see. So that video will come out on Saturday 2 PM, and the other video for the 2-week birthday of the lawn sometime after that. And be sure to check out lawnpornonline.com and download the summer program. It's free, and it's got plenty of information to help you get your lawn on.
Excellent.